What's up, guys? On today's video we're going to be installing some side marker lamps on my 2016 Ford Mustang. This was actually a gift from my brother-in-law. Shout out to my boy Cheque. Right here we're just unboxing the side marker lamp. It's a whole LED bar or light, and it is plug and play. Feeling these, they feel nice, solid product. I do have an experience with Raxiom because I have some LED switchback lights in my front end, which I'll show you at the end of the video. And I've had those since when I bought the car in 2016, so they've lasted a whole 8 years or so. But anyways, they send you some stickers. I might put those on my toolbox, not quite sure yet. And the stickers and instructions, but the instructions are pretty straightforward. You just remove the side marker lamp and use the old bulb connector, and you just plug all of that in. So I do have access to a lift. I would recommend jacking it up or lifting it up a bit, maybe using some ramps, because the car does sit pretty low, and I know some people lower their Mustangs, and if you have it even lower, it's kind of hard to get in between there. But anyways, this is the old stock LED or the stock side marker lamp, and this is what it's going to look like at the end of the video. But I got some needle nose pliers because I tried using a flathead and just my finger alone, but it was too stiff. And all we're doing is we're just pinching that little tab there, and that releases the side marker lamp from the bumper. And this is zoomed in. If I blew up the picture, you can see how hard it was to get in between the bumper and working around the exhaust. And it also has this plastic bracket that's kind of in the way. But all I did is disconnect the light switch, and that's it, guys. You just press on the tab that it has in the back, and you can see it opening up and down or closing. And if it doesn't come quite all the way out, I just use my little flathead and I popped it out. Gotta be careful. And mine were a little stiff. They were a little bit hard to get out. I just had to yank on it. I was doing all of this with one hand as well, but it comes off. Once you get the marker lamp out, you go ahead and remove the bulb connector, twist it and pull apart. And that bulb is no longer going to be needed because that's where the other turn signal is going to go connected to. You get your new marker lamp, and you install the wiring into where the bulb would go into the connector. So it's all stock. You're using all OE equipment. You're not really splicing wires or doing anything. Then you're good to go. You just slide it back into place and connect everything, and you're good to go. That's what you're going to see now. This little notch just slides into the back, and then you hear it snap. Bang. And then you button everything up, and that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys around for more. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you my front bumper so you can see the turn back signals as well. But that's the finished product right there. Bam! Gives it a whole different look. So whenever I hit my turn signals, these turn to amber, and then they switch back to white. See you guys around.